The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy A52 5G is a mid-range smartphone from Samsung. It's available now at Metro. So the Galaxy is the front now and front and back. It kind of looks like the Galaxy S20 a little bit there, so pretty nice there. It has 3 or 4 cameras in the back there. Pretty nice to confirm. Like I said, so it looks like the Galaxy S20 smartphone now. So prospects on the Galaxy A52, of course, its main selling point is its 5G connectivity, 4500 mAh battery, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is pretty nice. So coming out here, the Galaxy A52 5G is $499.99 for retail price, but if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys get the Galaxy A52 for $199.99 if you guys switch to Metro, which is a very nice deal there. So pretty nice there. So let's go ahead and check out the phone here. So this is from the phone here. Like I said, it looks like the Galaxy S20. There's a whole bunch of your front-facing camera, power and RAM keys on the right side of the phone there. So it probably won't have an industry fingerprint sensor. To the right side of the phone there. RAM key is probably button there, and that is pretty much it on the right side of the phone now. And then on the back of the Galaxy A52 is your camera sensor there. Pretty nice. Central, and it looks like it has like a glossy back to it, maybe, or maybe a matte finish. It's not glossy. It looks like it has like a matte finish to it, so it shouldn't get a lot of fingerprints on it. And then on the other side of the A52, is your as far as I can tell, I can't see nothing there on the left. Where has a micro SD card and some cards on it? Let's go to the top here. Or this is the bottom in it. So this is the top of the phone, and that's have a motion microphone along with the micro SD and some card slot is on the top of the phone. So let's go to the bottom here. Yeah, guys, we have a I don't know why this ain't loading. Let me try this again. I know it's not loading, but anyways, on the bottom of the A52 is your headphone jack, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. So very nice to have a headphone jack, because those are rare nowadays. So yeah. So it says here the Galaxy A52 5G is the Galaxy A52 5G has some upgraded features packed into a stylish phone that's ready for anything. The super fast processing power and long-lasting battery lets you watch your favorite shows, work on your game score, and keep your playlist blasting. Shoot high-res portraits and 64 megapixels, very wide to capture beautiful landscapes, shoot super steady video with optical image stabilization, or make yourself the star with the 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Experience all the Galaxy A52 5G has to offer on America's 5G later and coverage. So pretty nice there. So of course it has 5G, of course, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display has an AMOLED display, 4500 mAh battery with fast charging, and 64 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, 128 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte via micro SD. So yeah, specs are really good. So like I said, if you guys switch to Metro, you guys with the Galaxy A52 for $199.99 when you guys switch to Metro. So that guys will probably have to put your number over to Metro to get this great deal. So I think it's worth it. So you're getting a great friend for $200 if you guys switch. So do that if you guys are interested. So it has a quad camera system on the rear, Infinity 6.46-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB micro SD, 4500 mAh battery with fast charging, water and dust resistant steel, which is very nice. So yeah, capture the beauty in all the action. Galaxy A52 5G impressive quad camera system makes it easy to capture you and your friends in your best light wherever, whether you are sitting pretty or on the go. 48. It says 48 megapixels, and then you go up here. It says 64 up here. So it says 64 megapixels up here. Go down here, it says 48 down here. So I don't know. They need to who's ever in charge of this thing needs to proofread this shit and take the time that they're doing this. But you have. So it has quad pitch technology and AI, so your videos, games, photos, and content come to life. And the Galaxy A52 5G does an innovative Infinity O4 HD display. Okay, they're not talking nothing about the camera. Okay, whoever did this thing at Metro, or who's ever in charge of doing this stuff for the online thing at Metro, they need to be fired, or they need to take their fucking time, because it's everywhere. So the Galaxy A52 is water and dust resistant, which is very nice. Tell water to bite the dust, or tell water to go eat a dick. You know what I'm saying? So it says here, the first A series device to be water and dust resistant. So that's pretty nice. Galaxy A52 5G was made to handle all of life's misadventures. So that's pretty nice. The Galaxy A52 5G is the first Galaxy A series from Samsung to feature dust and water resistance. I'm not sure the IP rating, probably IP68 rating. So pretty awesome there. There's a little video on the Galaxy A52. If you guys want to check it out, go right ahead and check it out if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and check out the specs. The specs in this phone are really good. We have 128 gigabytes of storage with 103 gigabytes available to use. 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, 64 megapixel optical image stabilization quad camera system, 1 TB of micro SD expansion, mobile hotspot, 32 hours of talk time, Android 10 with MIUI 2.0, Snapdragon 750G processor. Galaxy A52 5G weighs 6.7 ounces, so a bit heavy, but not too bad. So yeah, the specs we have really good. If you guys are looking for some accessories, go to Amazon. That's where your best bet is to get accessories for this one. So go to Amazon, type in Galaxy A52 5G to get your accessories there. So yeah, there you guys have the Galaxy A52 5G is now at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $499.99 with retail price of $199.99 when you guys switch to Metro. So for $200, you're getting a great phone for $200 if you guys switch. So something worth it. So yeah, there you guys go, Galaxy A52 now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.